Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete reels from Instagram from PC. Without getting delayed, let's jump into our video. First of all, open your web browser. Here on the search bar, search for instagram.com and log in your account. On left side you can see home, search, explore reels, message. Tap on reels. It will show you other reels, but to delete your reels you need to go to your profile. Tap on profile. It will navigate you to their profile page. Here you can see reels option. Click on your reels in order to delete, and on top right corner you can see three dot. Tap on it and then click on delete option. If you are sure to delete, then tap on delete option. If you are not sure, then you can just cancel it. So I'm deleting it. You can see there is no reels that I have already deleted. So in this way you can delete a particular reels on Instagram from PC. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.